Hi guys, welcome to this session in Google Sheets. In this module, I want to show you how to use the unique function in conjunction with the SUMIF function. So what I want to happen is from this table, I just want unique records, i.e. I just want one Steve, not three Steves, just one Steve. And to do that, I'm going to use the unique function. So if I type up here equals unique, and then open the bracket on it. I select this list and I press enter, and it'll give me a unique list from here, which is what I want. So now what I want to do is basically summarize the sales for Steve, Dave, Bill, etc. And to do that, I'm going to use the SUMIF function. So equals sum if, open the bracket on that. So I'm going to look down this list, comma, for Steve first of all, comma, and when I find Steve, I'm going to select from that list and then just press enter on that. And I do want it to fill down, so that's filled down. Great. Just put that into pounds. So you can see the summary there of all the Steves. So there's 1,000 there, and look for the other Steves. There's the three Steves. It's giving you a sum in the bottom right corner there of 11,600, which is what that is. Now I also want to do that for the quantity of sales, so I'll just repeat the whole process. So it's equals sum if, open the bracket on that, and still going to look down this list, comma, looking for Steve, comma, and when I find it, I want to summarize this column. And again, it's doing the autofill for me. So 57 transactions from Steve. So your unique function to pull off just individuals from this list, no duplicates, summarizing it with SUMIF, and summarizing the quantity also with SUMIF. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can use the unique function and combine it with the SUMIF function. So hopefully that was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.